Are you tired of doing the same repetitive task over and over? What if you could automate everything from sending emails to managing APIs? Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how to install your own free private server that works for you 24/7. Let's get started. Open the terminal. First thing first, let's make sure our Kali Linux is up to date. This ensures we get the latest security patches and updates for all the packages. Enter the password. Always keep your machine updated. Already upgraded. Enter this command, and it is built on Node.js. So we need to install Node and npm, that is Node Package Manager. Instead of using the default Kali repository, we will use Node source to get the latest LTS version, which is more stable and secure. Wait for a while. Let's fast forward this. Now it's time to clear the screen. To check whether it is installed correctly, type node-v and npm-v. Hit enter. Perfect. Now type sudo npm install -g natn. This will install natn globally and can be accessed anywhere on the system. The installation speed depends upon your system configuration and the speed of the internet. You might see some peer dependencies warnings, which are normal and can be ignored for the standard usage. It will take a couple of seconds. Clear the screen. Type natn-version to check successful installation. Perfect. Finally, we can start natn by running this single command. The first time you launch natn, it may take a little while because it initializes all the required services and nodes in the background. Fine. Here you can see that it is now accessible via localhost 5678. Right click to open the tab. Sign up process is mandatory. Now enter your email ID. Let me fast forward it. Click on next. Simply follow the procedure. Skip. And here is your virtual private server. You can start from scratch. Click on it. Test a simple AI agent and even check your workflow executions. You can create like send a telegram message when a new mail arrives, updates on Google Sheets, and much more. It supports over 300 integrations with apps and services and even allows custom code if you need advanced logic. Use it and start enjoying the benefits. It's like having a personal automation assistant that works for you 24/7. Thanks for watching.